How to make a Slack emoji. So your first step is to simply open up Slack either on your browser or as the application, and then go into the customize workspace section. So click on your workspace in the top left corner and customize, and then head into emojis and click on emoji. Then go ahead and click on add new emoji. Use the emoji in your workspace and add some custom ones by clicking on add emoji. And then you can either upload an image, which is a PNG, a GIF, or a JPEG. The recommended size is 128 by 128 pixels. Make sure it's a square and it looks good when it's small. And then simply enter the name for your emoji. You could enter a unique name using lowercase letters, numbers, or underscores, and then click on save. Once you're done, you can now use your emoji when you need to by just entering the name, and you can also delete the emoji or edit it once you've created it. All right, guys.